Somebody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Today is finally the day. If you guys watch the videos often, you guys would know how I talk about changing the 12 bar I currently have on my scooter, because right now the one I have is not that steep at all. It's more like a 10 bar and it's preventing a lot of steps. So today I'm finally remodeling. I did the way I did the 10 bar. This will consist of me taking almost the whole scooter apart. These have to remove the gas tank and everything like that, because I would hate to be welding right there by the gas tank. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys the 12 bar real quick. So here's my scooter. If you guys are new to the videos, it's a TAOTAO 50 with a 150 motor in it. This is my wheelie bar we first built. We built it really like low in the beginning because I was just learning wheelies and I want to get used to this thing. So I plan on removing it here and taking literally all this off, and then I plan on cutting this part like at an angle so it welds right to the edge of this. And I'm gonna 360 weld it all the way around. That's the plan, but first thing first, I gotta remove literally every piece of plastic to get it out of the way so I can work on it. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I haven't really done my disc brake yet, and I've been wanting to do this 12 bar. I was doing stunt wheelies last night in a super sick industrial lot. So if you guys haven't checked that video out, make sure you guys do. Is the video before this one. I went out with my buddy Mark, and he had a CBR, I think it was. I'm not familiar with street bikes, so it was like a 600, and his is fully stunted out. We did a bunch of wheelies. I sadly forgot my GoPro, so it wasn't like MOTOVLOG style, but I had filming on the outside and a couple fun things that we did. If you guys would like more of those videos, make sure to leave a comment below. It was super fun, and I enjoyed stunting around. So now I'm motivated to change my wheelie bar around, because I wanted to get more back and do circle wheels, but I couldn't because it was preventing me. So kind of shitty thing about how we made it, but it did help me learn wheelies pretty good. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. This video is gonna be a lot of time lapse, and that's because I'm just gonna get right into it and hopefully finish it tonight. Talking so fast, but you guys get the point. It's so rare for me to start a video during the daytime, especially on a weekday, since every time I get up it's dark. The time just changed and we're getting hours of daylight left, so now after work I have more stuff to do. Awesome.
Go stay true to yourself. Now I've been picked up and let down. Ain't surprised when I found out it's an error from word of mouth. Nobody was handed a big amount. Yeah, it's tough in this game, you gon' drip or drown. That's just something you figure out over time. Been done with all these people trying to get at mine, cause I ain't never.
I got distracted like talking to my neighbor for a little bit, but I totally got it stripped now. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut everything off. I'm just grabbing a snack real quick, and I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna cut everything off of it, and we're gonna get started with remounting it. And I'm gonna come in here and cut it with the design matching right about this little curve, and then it's gonna weld straight to there and like fire. It's so crazy. It's like fully caged how I built it. It's crazy.
So I power through the fake, pump fake, exquisite taste. Spend a Friday at the lake. Y'all better watch what y'all be saying. Kid, up next, you're only playing yourself. Man, fuck 'em, need to go and seek some help. Man, fuck 'em, only focused on the wealth.
The wheelie bar is completely off now. I have to go and cut all these rough edges off. I'm also going to wrap a piece of flat steel around this and then weld it in so it's stronger right there. But so far so good. It took a minute, but I finally got everything cleared up. Now this little flat piece that was already on here for my like license plates area, I'm going to go ahead and hammer that up. Get it all wrapped around there pretty good. Now I'm going to throw a bead around that whole thing, and then probably fill that in as well right here. And then go on from there. Next, I got to cut this thing up. Wow, that was loud. I got to cut this thing up, but the plan is to go right off here. I just got to figure out how length this needs to be, like how long. I just got to figure out how long that needs to be. So I need to stand this up, tilt it back where I want the 12 bar at, and then go from there.
Time to other shit as well. I just like to do this music shit, want records on the shelf, and hopefully those records sell, cause I got family to feed. I don't do this for myself, I do it so my family eat. Put some shoes up on their feet, yeah, we causing casualties. If you cross my...
Just to get an idea of how far it's gonna stick out, I threw like this side plastic on, and I think that's gonna be the move right there. So I'm gonna go a little bit shorter than that. I think I'm gonna cut it directly at the these posts right here, bringing that like 2 inches more in, and we'll be good. Painted this white so I can use this black Sharpie because I didn't have any other color, but now I just gotta see exactly where I want to cut it up real quick. That's the idea I got. Cut that, and it should lay against that pretty good, and then I can adjust it from there. So I'm gonna cut this up.
Family tree, and it's word to me. Go on and ask yourself what it's worth to you. Do you plan on living more life and seeing different views? You just plan on getting more high, go kick shit with your crew. That's the type of shit I don't advise, go seek a different route.
So I got it cut pretty good. It lines up pretty good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw some tack welds on this, and then I'm gonna tilt it back and make sure it's all even and straight. I just measured it and they're almost goddamn exact. They're a tiny bit off, but if I tack it and I can tilt it, I'll make it work.
You never help to wanna hop into your shoes when shit start popping off. Man, that shit is so annoying. Swear I need to stop it all. Need to stop that shit. Always on the internet, go get a day job, bitch. Pretty short, it's the Twitter, and go pay your rent. Ain't the grand scheme it.
Cool. I'm calling it a night here. I know this is a shorter video than usual, but this is gonna be a way bigger project than just one video can hold. I still gotta finish welding it, paint it, and then put all my plastics back on. But this is what I'm gonna call it a night. I didn't film anything at the last bit, and that was because my camera ran out of space, so I had to upload some clips. While I was uploading, I just started going in on the welder. So this is what we're looking at so far. I got the top welded, only got to there with a gusset. I have to gusset the rest. Welded all that, welded that underneath, then across, and then I got another gusset I'm doing right here that I'm gonna weld on. I got it welded right there. Gusset this whole thing, weld it. I mean, it's already not even welded all the way, and there's no way it's moving, so it's gonna be strong enough, but it's way shorter than before. Check it out. That one's legit now. Hope you guys are stoked for another scooter video. I know it's been a while since I posted a scooter video, but definitely gonna be a few coming your way now because gotta finish this 12 bar and put everything back together. But make sure to buy your guys' MOPBOYZ sticker. Check out the description below on how to do that. Also make sure to leave a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.